Okay, real quick video on why I do not recommend getting the Hoover UH74220 vacuum. We've had this vacuum for some time, use it about once a week, you know, maybe twice a week around the house. Out of the box, it's great, it works great, but there's a major design flaw with this vacuum that just about everyone who buys it will eventually discover. This wand handle you see here has a little lock back here, and when you unlock it, it pulls out so you can do whatever you need to do, crevice and all the little tools that come with it, and it works just fine, except if you'll notice there's a little collar here right on the wand where I'm pointing here, and it's supposed to have a little plastic tab, and that plastic tab will fit in this notch right there. So when the tab is there, it locks in there and the handle stays in place just fine, except it's dependent on that tab to not swivel. And as you can see here, it swivels freely. So while the handle may be pointed in one position, the vacuum itself will go careening off into a different position, making it completely unusable as it flops from side to side. So I said, no problem, we'll just go on to Hoover online and order this new collar and install it. Not a problem. Well, nah, it is a problem. It's riveted, and this part is not available. It doesn't exist. You have to buy the entire new wand. Well, the wand's, I think today I checked it, it's $90. And on a $200 vacuum that's a year old or so, it's probably not a good investment. So that's why I'm a hard no on this vacuum. It's got a poor design, breaks very easily, and the vacuum becomes basically useless. Hard no. Don't buy it. Power button on to engage it with your foot, makes a popping noise. Okay. Goes off. Here, you press the button, and make a popping noise. And power off.
So I'm trying out this vacuum that I got on Black Friday that I've never used. Okay, today I'm cleaning and I'm like, let's try this bad boy out.